Okay, all right. We are still continuing with our question from September 2016 Mpumalanga manufacturing account, question number 2. Now we are just concluding with the last calculation that we have is the calculation of the break-even point. Okay, that is the only calculation that is remaining on this question paper. So I'm going to do that and then everything will be fine. I'm sure I would have done justice for you on question number 2. The whole idea is for you to fully understand everything that is supposed to be done when you are looking at the manufacturing accounts. Okay, let's look at the information. ABC Manufacturers. This business makes one type of plastic toys. The information below relates to the financial year ended 30 June 2016. So we've got all the information that we need to do our break-even calculation. Calculate the break-even point for the year ended 30 June 2016. Okay, first of all, let me show you the formula, and then after that, we simply substitute with the information that is given there. Okay, so when we are calculating the break-even point, okay, we need our total fixed cost, okay, divided by the contribution. Divided by the contribution. The contribution is selling price per unit minus the variable cost per unit. Okay, and then after that, if we have all this, then we can be able to calculate our break-even point. Let's go back to the question paper. Let's see if we are given the fixed costs. Okay, it seems as if, okay, everything is clear here. I can see there is total fixed cost 210,000. Okay, I'll record the 210,000. Okay, let's check to see if we've got the selling price per unit. The selling price per unit. Okay, sales for the year, all manufactured units were sold. So there are 480,000. There's 480,000 rand for sales, is it? But we need the selling price per unit. So we quickly do a calculation here. 480,000. Okay, these are sales. Okay, total sales divided by the number of units that were produced. Number of toys produced and sold is 12,000. So we divide 480,000, okay, rands times 12,000 units. Okay, when we divide, we get something like it's 40 rand per unit. So this is our selling price per unit. Remember, we need it here to get our contribution. So the selling price per unit here is 40. Okay, minus the variable cost per unit. Do we have the variable cost per unit? Yes, these are the two variable costs, direct material and direct labor, and the total is also, there is a variable cost per unit. Okay, they've already created a variable cost per unit for us, which is, okay, 25. Okay, 25 rand. So we simply take the 25 rand that is already given there. Okay, 40 minus 25, we remain with something like 15. Okay, we remain with 15. So it's 210,000 divided by 15. 210,000 divided by 15, it will give us 14,000 units. So 14,000 units are needed to break even. Okay, the break even point is a point whereby the business is neither making a profit nor making a loss. So they need 14,000 units to reach that particular point. I'm also going to answer the other part of the question, 2.2.2. Explain whether the business should be satisfied with the level of production achieved. Quote figures. Okay, so the break-even point is 14,000. But if you look at the number of toys produced is 12,000. Okay, they are below the break-even point. So the answer is no. They should not be satisfied with the 12,000 units. Why? Because the break-even point is 14,000. At 12,000 units, it means they will make a loss. Okay. Alright, that is all for this video. I hope it was as straightforward. You managed to understand how I did this calculation. Do not forget again to like this video. If you have got any comment, do not hesitate to go to the comment section. Hit the notification bell for more and more videos will be coming before you write your trial examination. Those who have not subscribed, please make sure that you do subscribe. Thank you.